Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football. Conditions are absolutely splendid and the folk of this town have come out in their droves for this match. Why wouldn't they? It is an ideal circumstance for what could be an ideal game. Everybody has been attracted to it. It has been the talk of the town and the buses have been packed, double-decker buses lining up outside. Coaches have carried thousands of away supporters here too, and all of it adds up to make a terrific, a crackling atmosphere. The match, I think, will be quite a spectacle. So what a stage for the players to take to here ahead of such an important game. Well, this is the perfect game for all parties, not least the neutrals who've just come to enjoy it.
Yes, Peter, it's a shame it's only a friendly, but then again, that may help us see a more expressive attacking contest. And I'd be prepared to settle for a clash of lesser intensity in favour of lots of flair, skill and plenty of tricks and a few goals. I suspect I've probably overstretched my level of greed here.
Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running. Romario! They've scored!
What a start, and what a contribution from the main man. I had a feeling he might do something, given his reputation, but to do it like that, absolutely brilliant. I wasn't expecting that.
That was glorious. Pinpoint accuracy.
You know, Peter, from the moment it left his foot, it looked unstoppable. That was thumped.
So, a breakthrough already. And it's Bergkamp. Nedved. Let down by a lack of accuracy. Ball through needs to be good here. Going through. Ronaldo. Chance! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
Okay, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
That's a poor kick by the keeper, he's just given it straight back. And Ronaldo! That has certainly tested the keeper.
Ronaldo simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Now it's Ronaldo. Ronaldo has a go! They've done it! Hot knife through butter. They have done it again.
The keeper deserves some sympathy there. He may not have seen that until too late.
So that's two now without reply.
Well, it's been an absolutely
That's a foul. Simple decision for the referee. And here's Beckham. Nicely controlled. Turns and goes back, and the shot! And with the goal at his mercy, a dreadful miss.
Oh, I'm not sure what he had in mind, and I don't think he knew either.
Ronaldo. Can't get the better of his opposite number. And it's Nedved. Zidane! Zidane! Oh, that's a terrific save from the keeper.
Zidane sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
strong punch. Romario. He's on his way. And Romario! Oh, wonderful effort, all by himself.
He was set on rounding it off in fitting style, but he couldn't make it fit.
Timely intervention. Beckham. And it's Nedved. He's got away. Nedved. Tries a shot! And the ball's come out.
Oh, it's die-hard defence and the willingness to put his body on the line. Very impressive.
Oh, that had to be more accurate. Roberto Carlos set up one goal so far. And here's Inzaghi. And here's Bergkamp. Beckham. Room for a shot. Beckham shoots! Really well taken goal. Just one in it now. The game takes on a whole new complexion. Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss.
And that's what the game is all about. Find space and finish, but we have to credit the passer to pick him out.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Well, it was important they didn't get ahead of themselves and lose their discipline. This game plan could near well reward them with an equaliser.
Ronaldo tries to get it clear. Inzaghi. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Good run down the left. What can they make of it? He's left his man. He's had a shot! And that has skimmed the post.
That's just plain unlucky. There were many, me included, who thought that was going in.
Just brushed off the ball there. Vieira plays it forward. Beckham provides an outlet. Beckham with the towering header! It's in! They have hauled themselves right back into it! Just so calm under pressure.
Oh, this fella's as slippery as a needle the way he freed himself to score. I mean, for that defence, it was a case of, now you've got him, now you don't. Brilliant.
This has become one superb game of football.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
There's the whistle for half-time. And it has been a pretty crazy game so far. The game played out in extraordinary fashion, and the scoreline underlines that. And we are up to the break.
Well, who would have expected both teams going in level after that? Lots of drama, and Peter, please don't ask...
Romario! It's anyone's ball, and they've been caught out here. Romario opts to play it back. Ortega could be a chance here. And that's been won straight back. It's a loose ball. Big chance! He's done very well to get to that.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Inzaghi tries running with the ball at his feet. Now it's Beckham. Too much on it, and that's the keeper's. Cafu doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Cafu drives it forward. Ortega, he's been side down. Is that a penalty? No, the referee's judged that the offence took place outside the area.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score, and obviously he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
Roberto Carlos having a look. So does he go for it? It's not a kind angle. That was travelling. He's made sure that that won't get through. And it's Baggio. Out to the right. Gets away from his opponents. Oh, goes for goal! And it's been another chance! Goal! And the comeback is complete! Pretty simple finish in the end. What do you think, Jim?
Bergkamp is the obvious danger man here, and yet he was afforded way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that goal. His reputation should have been warning enough for them.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
He's just gone and reminded us yet again of what a threat he carries.
Looking for space out wide.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
Well, this isn't the time to talk about risks now, Jim, is it? They just have to hurl everything at it and hope for a break.
Spot on, Peter.
Some good play on the left-hand side now to profit from it. Zidane. Filippo Inzaghi. He's gone for it!
Well, even for him, that may have been a touch ambitious.
Ortega goes looking. It's got through to him. Batistuta. That's a brilliant interception. Forward it goes. Bergkamp. Nedved is onto it and can take it up. It's come loose. Oh, the defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Nedved gets into a good position. That could spell trouble. And it's Baggio. And the finish! Should have put that one away.
Well, he's definitely kept the side in the game then. That's really good positioning. They could have doubled their lead there.
Tries to get it forward quickly. Now it's Batistuta. Over to the left. Thuram cuts it out. Bergkamp. And here's Beckham. Gets the better of his man. He'll hit it! Hoists it forward.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Zidane. And it's played forward. And it's Baggio. Bergkamp, already with 2 goals under his belt.
This is good ball retention, and it should be enough from here, but they want to double their advantage.
Cannavaro gets into the right position to intercept. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. And Beckham! And he comes up trumps again. Up he gets! That's a half-decent try.
Well, the look on his face says it all.
Now it's Batistuta. Ortega.
Well, it remains to be seen whether they can come up with that little bit of class to rescue this situation, and it needs to be any time now, really.
Beckham! Oh, fine stop from the... And that's it! What a match, what a comeback. That is how to respond to adversity. Truly deserving winners. Would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim?
Yeah, they had a game plan which was about hammering away in central positions, and it paid off. For me, they were persistent and ruthless.